Follow this step-by-step installation guide when installing your next winch line. First, keep things safe by preparing yourself and the work area. Always wear protective eyewear and cut-proof gloves. Set the parking brake or block the wheels of the vehicle. Disconnect power from the winch by turning off the vehicle. Unwind and straighten the winch line to be installed. Disengage the winch for free spool. Now you're ready to attach the new line to the drum. Facing the winch, feed the open end of the winch line through the fairlead or roller guide. Locate the slot in the winch drum and insert the winch line end. Secure the winch line to the drum by tightening the set screw on the line or by tightening the clamp around the cable. Now you can start the process of spooling the new line onto the drum. Engage the winch from free spool in order to wrap the line under power. Return power to the winch by turning on the vehicle and PTO. Make at least 2 wraps on the line before wrapping under load. Now power wrap the rope under load. To properly train the winch line, it's recommended to wrap the rope under load. A second person in the vehicle can provide tension to the line by applying the brakes while wrapping under load. Rotate the drum slowly with the manual controls or remote control. Manually guide the winch line with a gloved hand to prevent overlapping. Continue spooling the line side to side until the end is reached. Lastly, you need to test the new winch line by winding and unwinding the line under a load multiple times. Observe closely to train the winch line and seat tightly. This allows for the winch line to wind correctly when operating normally. That concludes your winch line installation. To order a winch line or other products, visit zips.com or call 800-222-6047 today.